There is an item that is on the spoiler list that, guess what? It is not available on their site or anywhere online yet. So yeah, I hope it's in my box to try. Choice for Boxycharm opens the 1st of each month and it closes the 3rd of each month. First up, I'm going to talk about the skincare spoilers. We have from Kate Berkey, Retin C Treatment Complex. This has a price tag of, are you ready? Their products are luxury. I have tried their moisturizer and it does feel really, really nice. This has a retail price of $165 for 1 ounce. This is something that you only use at night. And the claims on this one, it works to promote skin regeneration, minimize the appearance of fine lines, slows breakdown of collagen, and it says that it is fragrance free. I have not tried this one. If anyone has tried this one, please leave it down in the comments to help everyone out, because you do get to pick 3 of the 5 items that will come in your boxy. Number 2 spoiler of skincare is from Glow Recipe. They are cruelty free. This is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Retails $38 for 0.5 ounce. And for this eye cream, you apply it all over the lid, including your actual eyelid, and they recommend in between your brows as well. And I have tried this one. I do like it. It was very easy to blend in. The concerns that this addresses is dryness, dark circles, and puffiness. If you're new here, hello, my name is Stacy. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. I don't do it in every video, but in the majority of my videos, I do like to, sprinkle in some fun facts about some of the things that I am talking about. So let's talk a couple fun facts about Guava, since this is a Guava Vitamin C eye cream. Did you know that in the center of a guava, there is between 100 and 500 edible seeds? Did you know? Did you know? What do you think is the average lifespan of a guava plant? Let me know down below. Do you think it's below 50 or above 50 years for the average lifespan of a guava plant? Are you commenting? If you guessed below 50, you are correct. The average lifespan is 40 years. Just one of those products that we have talked about so far would pay for the entire box for the month. The price of Boxy is, I say $29.99, because technically it's $28 plus $1. It's $28 plus a $1.99 handling fee, so I just say it's $29.99. Next up, spoiler number 3 is from Origins. Unfortunately, they are not cruelty-free. This is the Dr. Andrew Well for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Yes, that is a mouthful. It is vegan. This retails for $42 for 6.7 ounces. And the skincare concerns that this one addresses is pores, dryness, and redness. Don't worry, it's not all skincare, but we do have another skincare item. Spoiler number 4 is the product that is not currently available. I could not find it anywhere online to purchase. It's from Lys Beauty. They are cruelty-free. And this is the Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask with Blueberry and Charcoal Mask. Yes, I do hope that I get that in my box to try it out. The claims of it is to soothe, replenish skin, and give a glowing effect. Now let's go to the makeup spoilers. From Tarte, they are cruelty-free. Unfortunately, their parent company is not. This is the Man-Eater Waterproof Mascara. Now, I have tried the regular Man-Eater mascara, but I haven't tried the waterproof one. The reviews were mixed on it. Some people said it's great, that it's like the normal formula, but yes, it's waterproof. And other people said, no, it wasn't waterproof for them. It's still smudge. So yeah, mixed reviews. Retails for $25. This is also gluten-free. It's supposed to have a 16-hour wear. The color is black, and there is on the brush for the mascara, I did not know this, there is over 500 bristles on that brush. The next spoiler is another thing that I would love to have in my box. I don't always use lip liners. However, I have heard great things about this brand, so that is why I pretty much want to try any product because I haven't and I've heard such wonderful things. It's Lys Beauty. They are cruelty-free and it is a lip pencil duo in blushing and doodle. The pencil retails for $14. The colors are described, blushing is described as a nude pink and doodle is a berry rose. If you are interested in learning about any of the products that I did mention or signing up for Ipsy/Boxycharm, I will have all the pricing and links down below in the description box just to make it easier for you. Some of them are affiliate where I'll receive a small commission, some are not. What are you or would you be the most excited to receive? Let me know down below with the number corresponding with the product, which one you're most excited about. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number 6. Or maybe there's a couple of numbers. Let me know down below so you don't miss what I actually do receive in my box for the unboxing. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye.